Alright, I'm gonna be attempting this video right here. Alright, so let's do it.
You can actually make $4 for every TikTok video you watch. So, if you watch 2 videos, you'll earn $8. Keep watching, and your earnings can grow to $16 for 4 videos. In fact, you can potentially make up to $600 daily or even more just by watching more and more TikTok videos. First, go to TikTok. Once you're there, go to the search bar and type in viral funny videos. These videos are super popular, getting millions of views. Lots of them have even hit over 10 million views, showing that there's a big demand for them. Once you've watched a video you like, take a screenshot of it. This screenshot is important for what comes next. Here's the screenshot I took from the video I watched. It seems promising.
Alright, so apparently I found the video that he actually chose as an example. So I'm gonna be using this video as well, because this is whatever he said, right? So since I found the exact video, right, chances are it's gonna work pretty well, just like how it worked for him. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and screenshot this video right here, and we're gonna see what I have to do next.
Let's click on one of these search results. Now, scroll down a bit, and here we go. You could search for something like funny dances, or let's try another category like dark comedy. There are lots of options to check out. Once you've taken a screenshot of the video, the next step is to go to a website called canva.com. You can do this from anywhere in the world.
Alright, so apparently you can choose other niches. If you are not particularly interested in viral funny videos, we can go with TikTok dancers. That's one thing. Another one would be dark comedy. So I've went ahead with these two other niches, right, on TikTok, and I've chosen this video right here, which is the TikTok Rewind 2024, which is very fitting as we just entered 2025. The other one would be dark comedy. So this is a video that I chose. I wish I made this up. The darkest joke I've ever made. Alright, so I'm gonna choose both of these. I'm gonna go ahead and screenshot. Alright, screenshot the any part of the video over here, and I'm gonna paste it at Canva. Alright, I'm not too sure if you guys can see the final product over here, but this is a final product from the example that the video mentioned to us. So I'm gonna go ahead and replicate as much as possible as whatever he did right here. So this is a screenshot of the video that he took, and then he just basically placed a video button, a play video button, and some text over here, and then a solid color background behind the screenshot of the video, and some and an emoji right here as well. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and replicate this for the other screenshots that I've taken. Boom! Alright, so this is the screenshots that I took. Right, these are the 3 videos that I told you guys about, and this is basically like an edit exactly like what I did. Right, you guys can see as well. This is a text, wow, a viral video, and then the YouTube play button, and then the emoji over here, and there's a solid color as the background. The next one will be the same thing, but just for another video. For the first video, it is the viral video, and then the second one, it is the TikTok dancers, and then the last one will be the dark comedy that I showed you guys earlier on. Right, so I've done these 3 of it, and I'm gonna go ahead and save it.
Here are real payment proofs from people who are earning money daily with this method. One person made $5 today, another made $6, and someone else earned $10. The success stories keep coming.
Oh, I already know. I already know what it's gonna mention. Alright, so the next thing is after designing the thumbnail, right? The thumbnail for your video from the screenshot that we took at Canva. What we have to do next is we have to go to Pinterest, right? You have to go to Pinterest, and then we gotta create a pin. So what he mentioned over here is that we're gonna go ahead and paste the Canva screenshot, the edited screenshot over here, the 3 videos that we chose. Actually, he didn't really mention 3 videos. It's just something that I want to do, right? Because 1 video is probably not enough, right? So in order to increase our chances of whatever form of conversion that he wants us to have, I actually went ahead to do 3 more. And over here, the pins, right? He did mention that we should not be pasting the TikTok link over here, because yes, we might get views, we might get clicks, but there's no point. There's no point meaning to say that if the viewers actually use the link from TikTok, we're not going to be getting any money, right? Directly from there, we're not going to get any money, right? We won't be getting any form of commission. There's no affiliates, there's no referral, none of that, right? None of that. So in order to earn money from here, right, from the pins at Pinterest, what we have to do, we have to go to a website which is called shrinkme.io. And then from shrinkme.io, we're going to be able to generate an affiliate link. I don't know what's it called. A referral link, I don't know. A link basically that will allow us to earn money. That's the main idea. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and generate a link from shrinkme.io first, and then I'm going to go ahead and create my pin at the Pinterest. Alright, so we're at shrinkme.io. So this is a relatively legit website, I would say, because over here, right, you can see the payment proof. Find the recent payment proof of shrinkme.io, highest paying URL shortener. So over here, you can see the date today is 5th of January 2025, and then these are the dates that is being withdrawn, right, for the money. And then the 1st January, this 1st January all the way. So it's pretty legit. I mean, I hope that this is all legit though. Hopefully it's not fabricated. It's not fake. Hopefully it's real. And then you can see over here, there's a username, and then this amount that they earned, and then this is a method of withdrawal that they actually withdrew from their accounts. So Binance USDT token, I guess, I don't know what's it called. And then RTM, PayPal as well. That's another thing. It's more legit. Payer, Binance Pay. Yeah, lots of PayPal actually. Yeah, there are more PayPal I think, and Binance. Sorry, yeah, Binance. So we can see over here, $60, man. Hey, yo, $124, $124. Not too bad. $60 as well. Go to the second page right here. There's like $163 as well over here. Pretty cool, man. Pretty cool. But the thing is that over here, they don't actually show us like where are they actually getting all this money from. Is it from the TikTok video, like what the video that we're following mentioned? I don't know. We don't know. Maybe it's another way, right? Maybe they are doing it from another method. I don't know, man. I don't know. But you know what? Hopefully, we'll be able to be part of this leaderboards sort of things, if you may. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and log in first. After I log in, I will generate my stringme.io link, and then I'm going to go ahead and, like I said, paste it at my pin at Pinterest. Guys, I can't do it, man. I can't do it. You guys can see over here. The title is Wow, a viral video, right? That's my title. And this is my description. It's only 5 days into 2025, and we already have a new viral video. Hey, man. Ride the wave, guys. But the next thing, as I was filling it up, the next thing is a link, right? So there's a link from the stringme.io that I've generated from the website in order to earn money per click, I guess. But Pinterest doesn't allow me. Sorry, we blocked this link because it may lead to spam. That's it, man. That's it. It doesn't work. I mean, I can't even click publish right here. I mean, the video, right, he also did mention for us to actually use this website over here, which is called Linktree. I'm pretty sure most of you guys already know or heard about this if you guys are, using social media, Instagram, all those good stuff. But most of your creators, your favorite creator is always using Linktree to post things such as like their website, their whatever it is that are selling, or maybe other links to their other social media profiles. So he did mention that we can use this and then paste it at Pinterest. And then for Pinterest, if anybody were to click our link, they will be able to open this Linktree first, and then we can put our stringme.io link into the Linktree. So that's basically how it works. But guys, we're trying to be ethical over here, right? We're trying to be good people. If Pinterest already mentioned that they blocked this link because it may lead to spam, I don't think it's a good idea, man. Honestly speaking, I do not think it's a good idea. It's not a good idea for us to go ahead to promote spam to anyone, right? No one likes spam, right? Me and you included. I don't like spam. You don't like spam as well. So why should we be promoting spam to anybody else? Doesn't make sense, man. Doesn't make sense. Doesn't check out. It doesn't check out. So you know what? Nah, I'm not gonna do this. I don't think I'm gonna hit publish. I don't think I'm gonna go ahead to do the whole Linktree sort of things. So I'll advise you guys to not go ahead as well, because like I said, it is spam. So it's definitely not a good idea to actually promote this further to anyone else. And honestly, right, when I was in the stringme.io page, my antivirus software, right, actually did detect something. Yeah, I just basically closed it. I ignored it. I thought it was just something that can be ignored, right? I didn't really want to dive in too much into it, right? I didn't really want to pay too much attention to it, so I just ignored it. But the fact that my antivirus software did pick something up from the stringme.io website, it's not a good sign. It's not a good sign. For sure, 100%, it's not a good sign. Alright, so with that being said, I'm not going to carry on. If you guys want to carry on, I don't know, man. It's up to you guys. But my recommendation, don't do it. Alright, don't do it. Skip this video. There are better ways out there to make money online. Alright, so I'll be showing you guys more other videos. And if you guys enjoy videos like this, where I go out there and try different make money online methods, subscribe to this channel and comment if you want to try this method or not. Alright, so go ahead, hit subscribe, hit your notification button, whatever it is, and then I'll be testing all of these make money online videos out on YouTube.